Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to connect your iPhone into Apple CarPlay on a 2020 Acura RDX. So, in order to access this feature, you must first have a iPhone charger or cable. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna open this compartment right here, and there should be a plug on the left side. Right here, it's usually this plug right here. You just have to open it, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna plug it in there and plug this wire on your phone. And once that's done, your iPhone is successfully connected to the Apple CarPlay. And what you're gonna do, you're just gonna scroll into Apple CarPlay, and just like that, you are in. And yeah, my name is Austin from Acura, and thank you guys for watching.